We are out here kicked back in the A-frame right now. Got all good up there. Slated dog. Got set up. Thought it was gonna be plenty early. Well, not plenty early, but early enough. Had one group come over right when I was walking back out from the truck. I think they saw me. It's a short bean field we're sitting on here, and they definitely saw me. But we got some Bigfoots and some Sillos mixed in out there. A little crosswind from the north here. Hopefully these birds get up and feed here pretty quick. Usually about 4:30, 4:45 is when they start feeding in the evening, and shooting light's only till 5. So if they do it, hopefully they do it quick, and we can get a few on the ground. We've hunted this field twice this year, maybe three times. Shot one bird out of it, and we weren't even in our blind. We were walking back to the truck when we shot it. So it's not been good, but every time we've been in the corn, trying the beans this time, seeing if it's a little easier from the land, a little more obvious if the decoys are in here. Lots of birds fly over. Hopefully they keep flying today over this. What? Well, we got a group up. Hopefully they can fly our way, and stay tuned. I just let them do their thing. They look like they're gonna come up. Maybe. Maybe not.
Single, don't we?
Yeah.
Tell me when, I can't see it.
Well, he's gonna be in front of us in 2 seconds.
And shoot him. Good shit. Good boy. Here, Slater, go. Slater, here, bang. Back. Back. Good. Good. Here. Good. Pick it up. It's a little heavy for him. Good. Here.
One day he'll learn to walk straight with. Oh, there we go.
Good. Here. Good boy. Good. Drop. Good. Good boy. Yes, a good boy. Oh, okay.
Hey, Jed, there's a lot of groups coming.
Hey. Drop.
We killed something.
Heck yeah, brother.
4 hunts into the year together, and we finally killed a bird.
No kidding.
Dude, they take this line.
Sit down.
But they don't land here, but they take this line. That's why you...
Where did the other group go? Did they get out?
I don't know.
Cut on them?
Give them a second. They liked us before. We got more coming out front low. I thought about it, but they really liked us before. I've been single shot Willie too.
What?
I've been single shot Steve over here. And I mean...
Oh, we got fucking 5 crawling.
Yeah, there's a whole group, dude.
Huh?
You not see the massive group?
Yo, I saw them.
Okay.
They're crawling.
I'm just gonna see if they...
Shoot the 4.
Oh yeah, always. Turn in.
Hold on. You want to shoot each Passover?
Yeah. You ready? No. That one's hurt. I single shot Steve again.
Here. Hey!
That one's going down. I smoked him.
I smoked the first one too. Here! This dude grabbed the fucking one that we already got. Here!
Those like, what was that? They like jumped over.
You pulled up on the top ones. I pulled up on the back. Oh, on the ground.
Slater, Slater, Slater!
Slater, here! Here!
Slater, here, here. Sit, 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 sit. Oh my God. I just let him do it.
Got these 4 up top behind you,
Yep. Ready? There we go. There's 3. Dude, they were turning in. Jed, we got more coming. Jed, more coming, more coming. On a line, on a line. See this group out front? Straight out front. Gonna come right over.
You want me to shoot at him?
I think they just flared off that.
We got 2, we got 2.
Ready?
Got him.
He's already got it. Oh, he's after the other one. He literally, as soon as I stood up, he took off out.
Jesus.
Is that 6?
We got 4 here.
2 out there. Jed, right up front, right here, right here, right here. On the deck.
I don't even know how many fucking we got.
We got 6. Hey, Slater, good job, good job, good job.
Oh, he's doing good.
Other than wanting to go out of the blind constantly. Jed, do not move too much. They're gonna literally hit us.
Should I?
Might as well. Yeah, do it. Shoot a couple. Let's go pick up quick. Let's grab these 3.
I pulled up on the lead goose and then decided to shoot.
Yeah, I saw. I watched you change. You want to get those 2? I'll grab this one. Oh, there he is. Squared up with me. Think you could square up with me, bro? I told you it could be greasy if they want the beans. No, they've been setting up so nice to hunt them in this field every day for 2 weeks. They've been doing this exact thing. And literally, we've set same spreads, same A-frame, better brushed A-frame, same spread, and they just fucking don't even look in the corn.
This is fucking
It's the beans.
crazy, dude.
We have to be in the beans because they can see the decoys. I think when you call at them and they can't see our decoys in the corn, they're like, I don't like that.
What field are they getting in right there? Straight at the water tower.
That's the field that they were in yesterday. I told you I thought they've all been in. They were in that far corner. They're up early.
Yeah. You go, we still have 30 minutes.
Normally they're just starting to get up, maybe the first group. There's gotta be 1 or 2 more groups that come before light.
What time is it? I left my phone in my truck.
It's not even, 4:33.
What?
We started shooting at like 4:20.
Yeah.
Shooting light is 5. 5:01. We have 30 minutes.
Load up. Load up. Hey, just leave it. You already picked it up. Come on. You gotta finish coming in.
He's the
Come on.
most well-trained retarded dog you'll find.
Amen.
Ran in the trailer to start the day today. Just walked into the hitch.
Pretty good about that. Sit down. That was hot and heavy really quick. Haven't had one like that in a while.
Well, we've been
No.
shooting hot and heavy here for the last few minutes. It's only 5:30 now. About 5:35 about now, probably. But we got till about 5 to shoot still. And we shot 7 of our 10 birds in that last about 10-minute span. So, hopefully there's still some more birds coming. That was a lot of them, I think. If not all. Maybe we'll get a couple coming back. Just need one more good group to do it. If one group does it right, we're done. But, hopefully, I shouldn't jinx ourselves. Could be done. We'll wait out the rest of the light here. Hopefully we get a few more birds flying. It's been a good one so far. Stay tuned. Oh, they're jumping over to field. I didn't even set this up. We could have got an angle of Slater dog breaking at least. He broke so bad on the one group where he caught the bird as it hit the ground.
We shot with a lot of birds around.
That's just how they do though. They're in small groups, but they're all like this group, this group, this group. They're 10 yards apart.
Yeah.
They're like, they're all within eyesight of each other coming. For coming out here at 3:30, setting our decoys, brushing the blind, all an hour and a half before light,
Yeah.
setting barely any decoys. They're slowing up real nice. Two of them look like they're gonna do it. They're slowing their wings really nice. They're gonna do it. As long as they don't go past. They look like they're going to. Son of a bitch. I can't tell if they're slowing up on those birds or ours. Those birds are only a little ways over now. They're only a mile away.
Yeah.
So
I think they're slowing up on us, but seeing
those once they get here.
that many birds over there.
Doesn't help those are jumping up flying too. Look at this thing's beak. Come here. Look at this. I didn't even notice.
Whoa.
It's got a sick ass beak.
What the hell?